express each of the following decimals as a fraction. So in the first case, 7 is recurring, that's why we have a dot there. So this is the same as 0.7777 and so on. So for us to convert this to a fraction, we need to obtain two numbers, in which case the first value after the decimal point are the same. So let us start with the first value. Let the first value be r, and let r be the number that we have there, which is 0.7777. Let us call that Roman 1. Then we can create another number by multiplying r by a power of 10. So let us multiply r by 10. We're going to have 10r is equal to, so 0.77 multiplied by 10, you're going to have 7.7777. Let's call that Roman 2. So as you can see, we have 0.7. So what we need to do is to subtract Roman 1 from Roman 2. So we have 10r minus r is equal to 7.7777 minus 0.7777. So we're going to have 9r is equal to 7. So that means that r is equal to 7 over 9. So in the second case, only 3 is recurring. So in other words, we have 0.73333 recurring. So again here, you're going to need two numbers. And for each number, the first value to the right of the decimal point should be the same. So let the first value be r, and r is the number that we have there, which is 0.7333. We call that Roman 1. Then you get the next one by multiplying by 10. We have 10r is going to be equal to 7.3333. We call that Roman 2. So up to this point, here we have 0.7, here we have 0.3. So we do not have two numbers that are similar. So we again multiply by another power of 10. So we multiply by 100. So we're going to have 73.3333. We call that Roman 3. So look here, we now have 0.3 and 0.3. So we get a difference between the two numbers. So we're going to subtract Roman 2 from Roman 3. So we have 100r minus 10r is equal to 73.3333 minus 7.3333. So we're going to have 90r is equal to 73 minus 7, that is 66. So it means that r is going to be equal to 66 over 90. And if you simplify that, you're going to have that is 11 over 15. In the third case, we have two numbers recurring. 1 is recurring and 5 is recurring. So here it means we have 0.151515 recurring. So again, you're going to look for two numbers. Let the first number be r, and r is equal to the number that you have there, which is 0.1515. We call that Roman 1. Then we can get another number by multiplying r by a power of 10. So let's say multiply by 10, it is 10r is equal to 1.51515. Let's call that Roman 2. So our aim is to get numbers that are similar to the right of the decimal place. So here we have 0.1, here we have 0.5. So we are going to try another one. Let's multiply by 100. So we have 100r is equal to 15.1515. So here we have two numbers that are the same. We have 0.1 there and we have 0.1 there. So we can subtract. That is, we subtract Roman 1 from Roman 3. So you're going to have 100r minus r is equal to 15.1515 minus r there, which is 0.1515. So here we're going to have 99r, which is equal to 15. So it means r will be 15 over 99. If you simplify that, you are going to get 5 over 33.